Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today I'm just showing you what I am doing today. I went in my closet to put on my jacket, and my jacket was just going raggedy in that closet.
You said that you feel lonely, makes you cold as ice.
So I'm sitting up here today, and I am addressing a lot of different things that I need to attend to. But my jacket, let me show you how I am fixing my jacket, okay? Now, this jacket, as you see, it's just peeling. And if you think that's bad, all on the inside, look at that. I did not know my jacket was doing all of that. Look how raggedy that is. So it's peeling everywhere too, guys. It is peeling everywhere. It's all on my floor. Look at that. Now, guys, I am not a sewer, but I am getting this jacket fixed. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. So far, I'm pinning some lace material I had from an outfit that I'm just not going to wear anymore. Let me show you. This is an old outfit I had, and I said, you know what? You ain't wearing that no more. So I have cut it up to make other things as well. So I just use this as extra material. Guys, but this is, the material that I'm using on my jacket. And guys, I am not a sewer, but I'm telling you right now, and I am doing this by hand, but I am telling you right now, I am getting this done. Look at that. And I am going to continue to take my time. Man, it has started peeling all around here, guys. You see this stuff? It has started peeling all around here. So I am just, like I said, just getting my material and just covering it up. And I think it's going to look good. I do. But that is what I'm doing now. Transferred it here, and now I am sewing. Look at that. Yeah, so basically, guys, I have just measured the material out, and I have folded it in on each side, making my hem. And now I am just attaching it to my jacket. And you're going to see what I end up doing with all the pilly parts of it. But this is a way to preserve my jacket. I really do like this jacket, guys. And I am so glad that I came up with the idea just to add some material over the top of where it was peeling. And I'm going to show you how it looks in the end. So right now, guys, I would appreciate it if you hit that comment, like, subscribe button. And let's finish getting this jacket together, guys. Okay, guys, so y'all know me. Y'all know me. Um, I'm sitting up here and I'm looking at my jacket. I told you guys I absolutely love this jacket, and I wasn't thinking about throwing my jacket away because it was peeling. So I came all the way up and around the collar, and I came down the middle part of the jacket, and this is the way that it turned out. Now, I'm gonna tell you right now, all of that peeling, this jacket was exploding in the closet. I went in there to get my jacket to wear with an outfit, guys, and to see all of that peeling on my jacket, uh-uh, I wasn't having that. I was not having that. Now, there are some other things that I can do to this jacket to embellish it some more, but I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna leave well enough alone. I fixed my jacket. When I get some time, I'm gonna go on the inside and lace that with the same lace material or something different. But on to the next project, guys. On to the next project. Tell me in the comment section down below, what do you think about my no sewing self, how this jacket turned out? All right, guys. Well, here is the jacket, and it's sewn. Um, we went around the collar of the jacket and all the way down the zipper part of the jacket. I think I am going to do something different for the inside, or I might just come back around the inside of it just right here with the same material, but that's not really going to show. So this is the way the jacket looks. And I did not want to throw my jacket away, guys, so I'm glad I thought about using that lace material. Look at that. Just something nice to throw on. Like I said, the inside is not going to show, but I know that I am going to go probably on the inside as well with the same, lace material. But just to have something on your arms, you can dress this down, you can dress this up. I like my jacket. Isn't that nice? I went around here. I went around here, here, and around the collar. It zips here and here, but I don't use those pockets. And I like the way it looks. Bad being black, it go with everything, but I like my jacket, guys. And I am so glad I went on and fixed it. I have a whole bunch of other things that I have to fix, so I'm just going to take my time, think through it, but this jacket is done. And this is a series of me taking chances. I have been taking chances on a lot of other stuff, and I'm going to keep that going until it messes up. So guys, you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section anything that you would like to share. And guys, you are the best. You are the reason why my channel is growing. And so I appreciate you so much. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another. And I'll see you in the next video.
Then get up, get dressed before work's off my list.